If he's gone, he didn't leave Lily here. Where did he take her? Should give Kibben an update about this.
Whoa, what's up, what's up?
Shit.
Yo.
Maybe I'll get a signal outside.
Sebentar teman-teman, ini Sebastiannya ngomong terus. Ya, baik teman-teman, balik lagi sama saya Agung. Kali ini kita bakal lanjut Pak. Kita lanjut The Evil Within yang part ke 7 apa 8 ya? Ya itu. Nanti lihat di deskripsi aja. Soalnya saya lupa Pak. Ya, ini saya mohon maaf dulu sama teman-teman kemarin. Kan saya masih percobaan untuk OBS-nya juga. Saya nyari-nyari grafik yang pas nih Pak buat ini di mana gitu. Soalnya saya ngerasa gambarnya kurang oke gitu loh. Ternyata saya buat oke, ternyata putus-putus Pak. Jadi ini mohon maaf. Sekarang kita lanjut Pak. Kita langsung cari Lily. Sebentar, saya lihat dulu di sini lancar nggak live streaming saya. Oke. Semoga lancar ya sob ya. Oke. Kita langsung aja. Kemarin kita udah ngelawan bos itu 2 kali Pak. Sambil cari-cari item. Wah, ini kemarin kayaknya di sini saya waktu closing itu terputus ya sob ya. Kita kemana Pak? Oh, kesehatan streaming saya kok gitu merah gitu Pak. Sebentar Pak. Semoga nggak masalah ya. Oh, saya sampai lupa ini mau kemana. Oh, ini ada. Oh, ini terkunci. Oh, kita balik kah? Oh, kayaknya balik ini Pak. Oke. Pintu sana bisa nggak? Oh, sebentar. Oh, di sini nggak ada. Oh, nemu ginian Pak. Wah. Oh. Oke. Kita kemana Pak? Kayaknya ini kemarin sudah saya periksa semua loh. Oh, ada baru. Kita take ini. Oh, kita turun kah? Oh iya. Mungkin
Can't
kita
believe these
keluar.
bastards use Lily like some kind of science experiment. And then they have the nerve to send me in to clean up their mess? It's like some kind of sick joke.
Dia bilang katanya Lily dibuat percobaan gitu. Sebentar. Ini kemarin sudah saya cek semua sih. Oh. Oke. Kita keluar aja ya. Kalau nggak salah itu kita butuh sinyal buat. Oh, apa ini? Serin lagi. Full. Kita butuh sinyal buat hubungi Kidman.
Damn it. Son of a bitch still has Lily. And now I'm back to square one again.
Oh, kita balik lagi. Loh. Oh, ini Kidman.
We've re-established contact with the marker agent, Kidman.
About time. Patch him through. Sebastian? Sebastian, are you there?
Kidman.
Finally.
Oke.
Are you all right?
That psycho is still on the loose in here. I turned on the emitter, and that seemed to slow him down. But he got away. And he's got Lily. She must be so scared and alone.
Ih,
I've got to find her before he does something terrible to her.
oke.
I'm so close. I can feel it.
We want to find her just as much as you do, Sebastian.
Yeah, sure you do. Don't want your precious experiment to fail. It would be a real tragedy to waste all that time and money.
I was speaking for myself, not Mobius. I spent a lot of time with Lily during testing. She's a good kid. I don't want her to suffer.
Oke.
I know things are bad, but I have faith in you. You've got
Yeah,
to
yeah.
stay focused so we can save her. Together.
Yeah. Okay, you're right. Thanks for the pep talk, Kidman.
Don't worry about it. But right now you need to figure out where he took her.
He said his name was Stefano.
Stefano. Copy that. I'll see what I can find out and send it to your room.
Oke.
Okay. In the meantime, I'll check in with O'Neill. See if he can help me locate this psycho.
Oh, kita ke...
Sounds like a plan. Let me know if I can be of any help. And... Sebastian,
Yeah.
good luck.
Saya masih
Thanks.
nggak tahu ini siapa. Kidman
Gotta
ini
figure out where he took her.
baik apa enggak. Oke, kita balik ke itu
I think I
kayaknya.
might have just figured it out. Not doing a very good job of hiding. It's almost as if he's taunting me. Well, if it's a fight he wants, he's gonna get it. I just have to find my way there.
Oke. Kita balik lagi ke...
O'Neill.
Oh iya
it's
ini
me.
O'Neill.
I see the
Oke.
stable field emitter is back online. Please tell me you found the core and you're on your way back here.
Sorry. That lunatic still has her, but I think I have an idea of where he went.
Yeah, I see it too. I'm picking up the signal again, but now it's coming from the theater in the other part of town.
Right. Through the marrow again, I guess.
Oke.
May need a little guidance here.
I'm on it. Looks like turning the emitter back on stabilized some passages there. Exit D5 looks to be the one closest to the theater. I'm not totally sure what you'll encounter down there, so watch your back.
At this point, nothing would surprise me.
Oke, kita ke D5 chapter 6. Oke, sebentar. Oke, streaming saya terputus, Pak. Ya, streaming saya putus lagi. Aduh, susah ya. Koneksi. Aduh, mungkin koneksi saya terlalu buruk ini, Pak. Buruk. Sebentar. Putus-putus gitu loh, Pak. Semoga ini enggak ya. Saya turunin lagi, Pak, tapi kualitasnya maaf ya. Apa itu? Kualitas videonya saya turunkan terus ini, Pak. Lama-lama takutnya jelek banget gitu loh. Oke. Sebentar. Oke, lanjut Pak. Kita ke D5 katanya. Ini apa? Save point. Save point. Kita ke sini kah? Mirror, coffee. Oh. Sambil jalan-jalan dulu aja ya sob ya. Siapa tahu ada sesuatu. Oke. Oh, ada ini. Oke. Benar.
Another beautiful day. I can't remember the last time it was overcast or too cold. Always feels just right. I'm truly blessed to be born and raised in Union. Never left this place. I don't want to. I plan on dying here. Smell that. It smells like spring. The flower beds they planted here are really something, aren't they?
Dia pengen meninggal di Union. Gila. Jadi zombie tapi Pak meninggalnya. Mau dah. Di sini ada apa? Oh, sebentar. Saya lupa ini live chat saya matikan. Oke. Kayaknya nggak ada apa-apa ya di sini ya. So kita kemana ini? Saya tersesat ini kayaknya. Oh. Ada sesuatu. Lumayan, apa itu? Gunpowder. Ini. Apa kita? Sebentar, saya bingung ini. Oh, ini nggak turun-turun ternyata. Sebentar. Streaming saya putus-putus terus ya Pak ya. Oh, ini ada save, kita save dulu. Saya belum save. Oh, apa ini? Kok ada dua komputer? Oh, nggak ada ya. Kita perlu upgrade? Saya rasa enggak ya. Sini. Oh iya, kita ke D5 tadi katanya. Kita suruh ke D5. Namanya. Oh, loading. Oke. Kita masuk portal lagi. Terus kita kemana? Pass stroke mirror and shot exit 5D5. Oke, ini apa ini? Nanti kita ke sana dong. Kalau exit to D5.
This must be the passage O'Neill was talking about.
Oke. Kenapa ini? Oh, ini kayaknya tempat baru ya. Oh,
Lily? This place is messing with my mind.
kita cek situ dulu. Oh, ada pintu, ada pintu. Ada 2 pintu, Pak. Operating. Saya salah pencet. Gimana ini ngepaskannya? Sudah ini. Oke, lock. Putus lagi, Pak, streamingnya. Aduh.